Today we are setting up flood protection, the interim flood protection plan that the council has approved. And this part of it is what's called this is from U.S. Dam Company. They're called Tiger dams. These are water-filled balloons that we set up along the roadway, and we belt them together. And these are designed to protect up to, you can protect up to 18 inches with one layer. You can protect up to about 3 feet with 2 layers. And then when you get the 4th layer, you can be up to around 4 or 5 feet. So we're doing a demonstration today. It's actually a twofold thing today. We're learning how to do this, and then we're showing the media and other interested parties what these are about and how we're going to deploy them here in Cedar Rapids if we need.
Never actually used these before today?
No, we've not used these before today. In this last summer's flood, we had a sandbag wall over here in Time Check that was, I forget how long it was, but it was several hundred yards long. It took thousands and thousands of sandbags. And these are designed to replace that and actually build higher if need be. And like one tube was the equivalent of 1,000 sandbags, 500 sandbags. So you can see how the labor is cut tremendously, and the speed at which these goes up is much, much faster. And they're ready. Yep, we're ready to use them if we have any problems in May, June, July, when we start getting our heavy rains.